Miami Sound Machine.
Is she gonna put some music on?
I asked him to turn it on. We'll see. He's trying to figure it out.
Wow, he doesn't
I thought this guy knew what he was doing with that.
He's just
What
one of
did
the
he say
YouTube
it was?
pilots.
It was
You have to do this for me when it's my birthday.
did he say it was
So I texted Mike, and Mike's out of town. He's TDY, or his leave actually. And he said, "Oh, I'll hook it up with one of the pilots." And so he was just flying. This guy was flying today, and he came in to drive him. It was coming out the top a second ago.
I think we're back.
Oh yeah. See you, Jett. Top Gun. Miami Sound Machine.
No, that's Plants vs. Zombies.
Yeah, this song
That's
is
how he knows it, because it's on the Plants vs. Zombies game they play.
I'm still standing down.
No, Highway to the Danger Zone. That's the words.
No.
Yeah.
No, in Plants vs. Zombies, it's not that.
No, this is the song in Plants vs. Zombies.
No,
Yeah,
it
it
says different words. It's like this, but it changes one word.
What does it say?
It's like, I'm still standing.
You're thinking of two different songs for that.
Yeah, that's you're thinking of the... I know what you're thinking. It's Highway to the Danger Zone. At the beginning, when they're showing like the different...
You were thinking of the scene too.
Yeah.
No, at the beginning of... That's awesome.